Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your credit card strategy for May 24th awareness with Chase. Detailed guide step by step clear. To configure your credit card strategy for 5/24 awareness with Chase, begin by understanding what the 5/24 rule entails. This rule states that if you've opened 5 or more credit cards in the last 24 months, you may be denied for a Chase credit card. Evaluate your current credit card accounts to see how many you've opened in the past 2 years. Make a list of these accounts, including the issuer and the dates they were opened. Next, consider your credit utilization ratio and overall credit score. These factors play a crucial role in your credit card approval chances. If you are nearing the 5/24 threshold, plan your credit card applications strategically. Prioritize applying for cards that offer substantial rewards and benefits. Research Chase credit cards to identify which ones align with your spending habits and financial goals. Look for cards that provide bonus offers or cashback relevant to your everyday expenses. Once you've decided on a card, assess any existing relationships with Chase. Customers with established banking relationships may have an advantage in approvals. If you're at or over the 5/24 limit, consider waiting until you fall below it. Take this time to increase your credit score by paying down existing debt. Stay informed about the latest Chase offers and promotional periods. When you're ready to apply, gather all necessary documentation and ensure your credit profile is in good shape. Submit your application and monitor your credit activity closely. If approved, make sure to use your new card responsibly. This includes making timely payments and keeping your credit utilization low. Maintain awareness of your overall credit card strategy moving forward. Monitor your application count regularly to stay under the May 24th limit. Regularly review your strategy to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the Chase 5/24 rule and optimize your credit card rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.